Hi, welcome guys. My name is Priyanshu Jain. You are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the MSc Physics MPH 002, and we discussed the question number A1, A, and B, and in the previous videos. Now, where we are discussing question number 2, we were starting this. Kindly contact on our number if you need answers of these questions, and you can contact on this number which is showing on our screen 90093688238. The question number 2 is using the D'Alembert principle determine the equation of motion for an Atwood's machine with masses m and 3m. So this is the D'Alembert principle, and if you need answer of this question, not this question, so if you need all the answers, so you can contact us. And if you need other codes also, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number by message or calling also. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.